Okay guys, let's open up this package from Beadable Bliss. This one says, "Don't touch my pen." Got a whole bunch of little St. Patrick's Day ones. They're different focals. Got the little 4-leaf clover. We have the little beer glasses. A little truck. This one's cute, the little hat. We got Minnie Mouse. Mickey Mouse. We have this little green guy, or the leprechaun. We have a little gnome. We have a little skeleton. It says, let the shenanigans begin. How cute. We have the horseshoe right there. Excited to make some new stuff with these new focals. If you guys see anything you like, let me know. Okay, we got these. It says, "I love someone with Down syndrome." These are too cute. Look at this. There's that style. So it says autism, Down syndrome. That's cute. Look at the little footprints with the puzzle pieces. We got the little blue and yellow ribbon. Let me see, there's a couple of different other ones right here. This one says World Down Syndrome Day. They're cute. And we got one more different one. This one says, oh, same thing, World Down Syndrome Day. So let's support our people with Down syndrome. Well, I really like this one. Oh, I got some for Father's Day. Best dad ever. If you guys want a pen for your dad, here we go. Look at how cute. Cute, cute, cute. I like these little balls, beads. They're so cute. Okay, now these are all individuals. I ordered like 1 or 2 of these. Let's see. For Valentine's Day, it says "Hug Me." Look at the potato heads. I got these for my nail tech. These are too cute. They're pretty. We got some little Easter eggs for Easter. Here's the Grinch with an Easter egg. So with these, I just got 1 or 2 of them. So if you guys are interested in these, let me know. This one says "Hug Me" and XOXO. And this one says "A Sweetheart" on one side and "Be Mine" on the other. This one says "Love." So again, these I only had about 1 or 2 of them. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Look at this cute little doggy. He's a little bunny for Easter. Look at how cute. A little chicky and egg. I got this one. I just got a couple of different stuff. Like for Valentine's Day. Here's another Happy Father's Day. Oh, this is cute, the little mouse. Cute little mouse. This won't be mine. Oh, here's a Selena one. I don't know why I grabbed this one, but what does it say? It says, I don't know, it has a whole bunch of writing in there, but if you're a Selena fan, claim this, because I only got one, I think. Okay, I'm going to show you this one, and then I'll do another video with the rest of the orders. So I got, I'm getting ready for graduation. So senior 2025, if you want some pins for your seniors, or for your 2025 graduates, let me know so I can start making your pins. Senior class of 2025. Proud Mom 2025 senior. This one's senior 2025. Congrats, grad. 2025, well, class of 2025. Here's a pink one, pink and black. That's cute, 2025 senior.